In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying any of your friends. So in order to do this, you just first need to launch up the Facebook application and click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Once you're on your Facebook profile, click on the camera icon located just beneath your profile picture. And from here, select the photo that you want to upload. You can either choose to upload a photo from your camera roll, or we can set a photo that we already have uploaded to Facebook. Once you've selected your photo, you'll see this option at the bottom here for share your update to newsfeed. Now, if you want to change your profile picture without notifying any of your friends, then you need to make sure this box here is unchecked, like so. And then all we need to do is press save in the top right hand side. And as you can see, that's now changed my profile picture without notifying anyone. Now, if you do accidentally post your profile picture and you forget to check that box, then what will happen is it will appear in the newsfeed like you see here. Now, in order to fix this and stop all of our friends from being notified, all you need to do is click on the three horizontal dots like so. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right hand side. Click on Edit Privacy, and you'll need to change these settings to Only Me, and then press on Done. And by doing that, that's also another way to stop your friends from being notified. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.